Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you the next video tutorial of shopping cart project. That is, in this project I am going to show you first of all change in the previous videos. You have to change also in your project. That is, in create product view model, I have to add I form file instead of string, because in the model you have to say you have to add string type of image, but in the create view model must to add iframe file. Now just right click on the create action method and add a new view for the create action method, and in the template you have to add model, that is create view model, create product view model. So just after that you have to see create product view model, and in the create product view model we have a name, price and the description, but you can see that description is also a input type, but I want to say a description must have two text area types. Okay, and just after you have to add the two other things, that is product image as well as your categories. So there is the two more than two things, that is product image, so class, form control, form group, and the input type equals to ASP4 product image. It's not a type actually, you can say you have to add ASP4 attribute instead of type. ASP4 is profile image, that is product image, sorry. So add product image. Okay, now after that you have to add categories. So close the product image. Also add a label and the validation tags in a product image, and in the form tag you have to add ENC type, that is multi-part form data. So before going to the next tag helper for the categories, add a label as well as the validation for your product image. So in place of product description you have to add product image, and one more attribute is span ASP validations for that is product image. Span ASP validation for product image. Okay, now after that add div class equals to form group, and the next thing is going to add categories. So add a for loop. So add a for loop. So at the rate of sign for and use a double tap key of your keyboards, and here we use model dot categories dot count, and the one tag that is the type of the boolean, so automatically that converted into the checkbox. So you can use input type equals to first of all hidden, because I want to take a value in a post method, and you can say that the value property of checkbox list is required to pass in the post method. So model.categories of I.value you can add in the hidden field for ASP4, and input type equals to input ASP4 equals to model.categories of I.selected, model.categories of I.selected, and for the text you have to add model.categories of I.text, because in the text you have a value of your text value of your categories, and in the value you have to id property of categories, and in the selected you can say the text boxes. Okay, so now after that the complete things are clear, and just there is http get method. Now run your project. There is int of product category, product is there in the migration, so just run your project shopping cart.web. First of all, add some categories in the project, because if nothing in the category section, so there is invisible in the product when you add any product. Like that, when we add products, I think the controller name is the products. Yeah, the name of the controller is products. So the name of the controller is products, and under the product we have a create action method. So there is name, price and description, and the product image is there, but the categories will not show. So because if category have, if we have some categories, then will show in the product section. So first of all, add some categories in the project. So just call categories controller, index method of categories there is, and the name of the category is electronics, and the another one is the health category, electronics, and just create it, and the one more is health. Okay, that's fine. Now after that you have to add one product. You can see some categories in the product section, and after that you have to add some products. In the next video tutorial there is some categories, so wait for the next video tutorial. I will soon provide you. Thank you very much for watching this video.